Hi there guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Silver Fanatikio.
Yes guys.
Yeah guys, we just came with a message.
Yeah, more like an awareness.
Yeah, an awareness. We couldn't hold it to ourselves guys.
Yeah.
But it's simple, get your money out of the banking system.
They're not safe.
They are not safe guys. Most of them are
if they're still there.
Yeah, most of them are declaring bankrupts, and people are losing money in the banks. All sorts of things are happening with the banks.
Yeah.
Worst things that you can even think of are happening at the banks, guys. So get your money out while you still can.
Yeah.
While you still can, guys.
It's better to keep it in the precious metals.
Keep it here. That is why I brought this closer, this beautiful coin.
Yeah.
So you will know where to keep it. Better to keep it here than at the bank, guys. Yeah, full chop ASE.
Yes,
Yeah,
our
full
favorite.
Yeah, our favorite. Keep it here, guys. Yeah. So and another thing, the government is not bailing out banks.
No.
It's not bailing out banks. What they will use, they will use something called bail-in.
Yeah. Why will they bail them out? Because they want to introduce their own CBDC. Yeah. So that's why they're not bailing.
It really doesn't make sense for them to do it, guys, because the narrative is just to introduce the CBDC.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. There is this thing called bail-in.
They're trying.
The bail-in, guys, it's when the bank uses your money to bail themselves out. So they're calling it bail-in, guys.
Yeah.
So whenever you have money in a bank, they will use it to avoid bankruptcy.
Yeah. To pay another money to another trade or whatever they're doing with
whatever, just to sustain them and keep them going, guys. So that is what the bail-in is called. And the Davos guys, as you've seen, they were having a meeting.
They were busy.
They were really busy discussing. Guess what they were discussing?
What's good for you.
What they recommend, what they feel that is good for you.
Yeah.
That's a joke, guys. They were discussing the CBDC.
They're launching it.
After this meeting, guys, they will launch the CBDC. That's for real. So they were discussing that. The reason we are so positive that they were discussing the CBDC is because the CEO, the XRP CEO, was there as well. Because rumors is that they want to incorporate or use XRP and get and be away with SWIFT. Yeah. Because we all know that we were transacting using SWIFT, the SWIFT system.
Yeah.
So now they want to get rid of the SWIFT system and use XRP.
We did explain this in our previous video that there is the system that is coming.
Yes,
it's here.
It's here now. We said it's coming. It was a system. It's called
Ripple ISO 20021.
Yeah, guys. I think the 21. It's because it was implemented in 2021.
Yeah, remember we did.
I think we did mention that in one of our videos that there is a system like that.
That is coming.
That is coming. So, guys, but the main purpose for this video is to make this awareness, guys, that banks are not safe.
Yeah.
Banks are closing. There was a bank in Nigeria where they did not wanted them to withdraw their cash. They were only allowing those so-called rich guys to enter the bank and withdraw. There was a video that I saw. They were only allowing those people so-called rich to come inside the bank and withdraw. If you are just nobody, they will lock you outside and not allow you to come into the bank to withdraw. So things are happening, guys, not because it's not happening in your country at the moment and you think it's not going to come. It is coming. It's on its way.
In our country, it's happening.
Yeah.
It's happening.
It is.
I think the CBDC, it's it's coming to us very soon,
whether we like it or not, guys. If you remember the crash of 2023, something similar happened, guys, with the banks, where I also saw a video where somebody went into an ATM to withdraw, and the ATM told that person, I think it was a 2013, yeah, the bank stories, guys, where he went to the ATM to withdraw, and the ATM told him that there is no money, and the ATM also swallow his card, so it doesn't go around going to withdraw something, going to withdraw something that is not in his account. So that's what happened. That video was for 2021. I don't know if you search you'll find it, but I'm not too sure. If I find the link, I'll leave it on the description below. Yes, guys. So I think the solution to all of this, guys, if you want to be safe,
just follow the rich. What they
follow the elite, the so-called elite guys. Follow them. Do as they do, because they get told
what is gonna happen.
What is going to happen? What are they planning? What is really happening next? So they get told if there is a major crash on the stock, they get told as well. So just follow them.
You will hear someone that just take all their money out of the stock, out of the blue,
and you'll be wondering why. They got told that the stock is going to crash.
Someone is investing in another company, certain company, out of the blue. So you must follow those clues.
You must must really just follow the elite, guys, the so-called elite.
Because they won't tell us.
No, they will not tell us, because they said that we are useless. There is no need. All we know is to cause panic whenever we get told things. So the system is just here to wipe everyone out, guys, except the rich. That is why the rich, they always stay rich, because they get aware of things before it happens. So our advice is just follow them, guys. Do as they do. Because they get told everything before it happens. So that is our solution and our advice.
Especially in like finance, let's just be clear. We mustn't do as they do in everything.
When it comes to finance.
When it comes to finance, when it comes to wealthy, when it comes to things that benefit you financially. Just, guys, not financial advice or anything. Just put your money into something like this, guys. Get your money out of the bank. This is not financial advice. We're just having a talk. We're talking on the internet.
Guys. Take your money out and put it into something like this.
Go seek advice to their professional.
If you're looking for financial advice, we're just having a talk here, guys. We're not financial advice, but I would say out of the bank into this, guys.
That's the safest way.
Safest, guys.
Because you can't say crypto.
Many people don't like crypto, guys. They let's not get into that one. Let's just leave it at that. It's
for another video.
It's for another video. Just go into this, guys. Or buy around. Round are cheaper, but this time around I think they are close to a bullion price. They used to be cheaper, but just look for something like this instead of something as fancy as this one, because this is a bit pricey. Okay. All right. I think
go for bullion if it's cheaper. If it's close to the round, just buy something pretty.
I would say this is a bullion. This I would not consider it a bullion as well. It's a numismatic now.
Same as the eagle.
Same as this one as well. A eagle, guys. A ASE.
The old one. Old one. Yeah, the one with full wings.
Yeah.
So I would not consider this as a bullion as well because it's a bit pricey. But back in the days, it was a bullion.
Yeah.
Okay. So put your money into that, guys. It's not financial advice.
No.
Okay.
No, not at all.
Today's video was just about that, the awareness.
The awareness, guys. Okay. Let's share us what your country is happening.
What is happening? What's your thoughts about the banks? What do you think about Davos? Just let us know in a comment below, guys, because we are really interested. Yeah. Knowledge is power, guys. Let's share.
Yes.
We with one another.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.